farmers. And if this process is stopped, it's the farmers of Wananchi who are going to suffer. And I'm also shocked that the courts can so easily issue an injunction ex parte without even inviting the government to set its side of the story. This is a very serious matter that really requires that all the arms of government really work in unison. I believe strongly that the rule of law must be observed, but there must also be consideration of several other factors. So I think that if our courts are just going to be stopping the government from doing what is right for Wananchi, it will not augur well for the development of this country. It will not augur well. We need to cooperate. Yes, I know people owe some money and so on and so forth. But that money will not come unless the factories are working. Even those who are demanding a salary are there. How are you going to get the salary unless the plants are working? And where are you going to be employed? Employment will only come when the plants are working. That's when you will be employed. So many times that I don't want to talk about 2022. It's not just me, but me and my colleague, President Uhuru Kenyatta. We said we don't want to talk about 2022. We want to correct the wrongs of the past so that we can create an enabling environment for Kenyans to work together as a people, come together and be united as one people. So that when they go to the election, it will be a friendly exercise. That no Kenyan life should ever be lost because of an election. And we want to make sure that the structures are put in place to ensure free and fair election. We know that it is interfering with service delivery in the country, counties. But the county governments are actually suffering lack of resources to perform their functions. It is the responsibility of the Senate to come up with a revenue sharing formula. To promulgate it into law. The first responsibility lies with the Commission for Revenue Allocation, which in my view had done its job. Then after that, the Senate Finance Committee then made amendments to that formula. And this was agreed before the House. Several other amendments have been proposed by members of the Senate. So far there has not been any kind of consensus. I've been told that negotiations have been ongoing to find a solution to this stalemate. And I'm hoping that maybe next Monday, when the Senate meets, they will finally come up with a compromise solution, which will really be a win-win situation. I think what needs to be understood here is not about equality. We are talking about equity in terms of revenue share. Each and every county should get what is fairly is. And like the part where some counties are getting more than other counties. For example, some data which have not been verified. Now that we have accurate data, let us use that data. Let us be sober in this issue.